What strategies can I use to stand out in this competitive job market?
I really feel that networking is probably the strongest piece of it right now. You never know, wherever you go, whatever you do, who you're going to meet, who might have a connection for you. So it's really utilizing all the resources from anywhere from your family, your friends, your neighbors, any organizations that you're in. And I think nowadays, especially with the economy, it's essential that you do some other things on the side to become more marketable. So that may include, while you're attending school, is that you join organizations or associations and get involved, because you're going to meet different individuals along the way and expand your horizons, so that when you do go in an interview or when you meet individuals, you can talk about different experiences. So really trying to network into different companies and organizations, and even volunteering throughout the community. Not only are you giving back to a place where you're at, but you're meeting other individuals like yourself that want to give back and are willing to help others.